Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing Windows XP and we're going to make it faster with virtual floppy drivers. Let's go ahead and get this process started. First up, to get the floppy driver, you can go to this page, fedorapeople.org, and you can just download this one since it's going to be a 64-bit version. If you have a 32-bit version, then you can find a different one online. I am using the ISO from this page here from archive.org. So I'm just using this one for info, and it actually includes a key. But I mostly just would use this for testing. And if you want optional, you can also add a legacy update for it. And this will work with XP's Vista 7, 8, 8, 10, and 11. It's actually really good. Now, after you do that, download those stuff. You're going to go to the virtual manager machine. I'm going to create a new one. Forward, choose your ISO in this case, and mine right here. Choose volume. It will detect automatically. If not, you can just boot it manually right here. Now forward. Now let's give it just for fun, just 5 gigs. Let's give it 6 to make that even faster. Now let's give it 50 gigs because this is just honestly going to be just for a demonstration. We need to be click customize so you can actually change the settings that we need to do. Now network, yeah, let's give it just internet. Finish. Okay, so from here you see it created a disk. We're going to change that to virtual drivers. And from here, yes, we're going to apply that. Once you have that, you're going to add a new hardware here, and you're going to add the floppy device. It will be this one that you downloaded from here from Fedora. Mine would be the AMD 64-bit one. Now, once you do that, we're going to select it. Let's just add it. I'm just going to browse it for it. Downloads, it should be right here. Here it is, Virtual Win AMD 64. Open that up. Go to apply that. Perfect. And there's the floppy. Now we have the ISO and the drive. We have everything set up. All we gotta do is just save it up. Let's see. Oops. We forgot to enable it. Check that, check that, check that. Now we actually want this to go first. Apply that. Now we can actually start the process. Begin. Now you're going to press F6 to install the third-party driver, in this case for the floppy disk. So let's just give that a few seconds to load up. Okay, there we go. Now it's going to press S to specify, and we should see the virtual driver pop up. Red Hat virtual block. Perfect. That means it works. Now we just press enter to install it. Press enter again. Now just give that a few seconds, and it should pop up the new virtual drive that we just made. Enter. We agreed to this, and there it is, the 50 gigs. Now it's just enter to install it. Now let's do it quick. Now this is going to take a few seconds. We're just going to fast forward this part. Okay, it's complete. We just gotta restart it now. Enter, restarting computer. Perfect. Okay, don't enter that. Just ignore it. And it's not gonna boot. Oops, there it is. Booting up very fast. Perfect. It's gonna take 39 minutes. Not really, but it's just how fast this is. It's gonna take literally just maybe like 5 minutes, including the time lapse that's going to happen here. You will get this pop-up. You just click yes and you just continue on. These are just the new drivers that you just install. Yes. Okay, now we can just continue installing Windows. Next, just put in your name. I'll just put mine or a username, however you like. Now, this part, we actually do need to insert the product key or it won't let us go through. Okay, now, so let's just put the product key. I have it right here. I just need to open this. Let's put that there. Just click on next. I'm gonna just name this WinXP00 for the password. Next. Okay, next again. Now let's just wait a few seconds for the network to finish up. Okay, perfect. You just leave it on typical settings. It's going to detect it automatically. Just for a group. Now we're going to wait for this to finish up. And it's just going to fast forward this part. Okay, so it's almost done. Just 12 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Just going to keep fast forwarding this. Okay, there it is. Let's just reboot it. See how fast it loads. Whoops. Okay. Let's just put this on full screen. Now let's just wait. Oh, okay, there it is. Sweet. Just put in the password. Screen looks small, but we can actually change that already since we already have it installed, the Virtio drivers. Okay, so now let's just go and right click, properties. Let's change the size of the screen for this. It was here. Oops. Settings. Oh, my bad. There it is. Now my monitor is 1980. There we go. Click OK. Ah, that's much better. Now it feels like you have a really fast Windows XP for 2025. Okay, guys. Well, you can literally see this. This is running on the Virtual drivers. So we don't actually need this anymore. You can just reboot that and this. So now you literally have a really fast machine that you can just do anything that you want with it. Let's see if we can turn it, if we can try to turn it off from here, it's actually faster. So just turn it off like that. Start it up again. Give that a few seconds. It does. There it is. Up and running pretty fast. And this is actually optional, but you can actually install the legacy update for this and try to make it run a little bit better for if you're missing any updates for the Windows XP. Okay, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you in the next one. As always, guys, have a good one. And thank you for 500 subscribers. I feel so happy for that. I am very grateful, as always.